In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Docusign customer support in just 5 minutes. Whether you're facing a technical issue or just need a little extra guidance on using Docusign, knowing how to reach support can be invaluable. We'll walk through this process step by step, making it simple and easy for you to follow along. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. You'll want to ensure you're on the official site, so type in docusign.com in the address bar. Once there, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your account. You can do this by clicking the Login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign home page. From here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. On the home page, look for the Help option. This is usually marked with an icon or the word Help either in the top menu or along the side, making it easy to spot. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Help. This will open up a menu of support options designed to assist you with a variety of inquiries. From the menu, select Support Center. Clicking this will direct you to a page full of resources aimed at troubleshooting common issues and providing guidance on using Docusign's many features. Now on the Support Center page, you should look for the Get Support button. Clicking Get Support will present you with different methods of contacting Docusign support. You might have options such as submitting a request, engaging in a live chat, or finding a contact number to call. Choose the method that best suits your needs or your urgency level. It's designed to offer flexibility and cater to different users depending on their preference and the nature of their query. Before you reach out, it's a good idea to gather any relevant details about your issue, such as error messages, screenshots, or any steps you've already taken to resolve the problem. Having this information ready can significantly streamline the process and help support agents assist you more effectively. Remember, Docusign's support team is there to help, so don't hesitate to reach out whenever you need assistance. They're trained to handle a variety of issues, from simple questions about features to more complex technical challenges. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to contact Docusign customer support. Keep these steps handy for future references, or pass them along to a friend who might find them useful. Thank you for watching, and I hope your experience with Docusign support is smooth and prompt.